An ordinary day at a Florida Home Depot turned out to be anything but, when a longtime employee was caught in a daring theft scheme with his son. Together, they aimed to sneak away with over $10,000 worth of merchandise, ranging from construction supplies to even candy. Security footage captured their every move. The duo skillfully evaded checks and loaded carts full of stolen goods as if nothing was out of the ordinary. But as investigators dug deeper, the full scope of their plan came to light, exposing just how far they went to pull it off. Catch the details of how their bold plan unraveled and the consequences that followed.
An internal, an associate that I think he's admitted to stealing like over $6,000 worth of merchandise over a long period of time.
He's here now?
Yeah, he's in the office now with my manager.
When the officers got there, they were greeted by the loss prevention team, who had exposed the employee's plan to steal thousands of dollars worth of merchandise from the store. The loss prevention staff then detailed how the scheme operated.
Sergeant detained at the manager's office. I'm walking my way over there now.
Boss man, I'm right outside the office. Here's my manager right here.
Hello, sir.
Yep.
How you doing?
I can show you here real quick.
Sure.
So basically what happened, had a lumber associate, actually the department supervisor, on May 17th when we first found out. He was actually watching an external person going out with merchandise and saw that the department supervisor was there when he walked out. So I was like, leave him alone. That's weird because if he's standing there, how come he didn't check the receipt and confirm that that merchandise was paid for?
Yeah.
Rolled back video and confirmed that not only did he let him go out with unpaid merchandise, that he helped him select merchandise.
Oh.
Watched him place power tools in between the lumber, hide it. We have it on video, hide it in between. Let the roll-up door up and let the guy walk out.
Which is not a regular exit. That's an exit just to load up.
Like delivery.
The employee would accompany someone posing as a customer, fill their cart with expensive items, and then let their accomplice leave through a restricted area, successfully making off with thousands of dollars in stolen goods each time.
Instance with the same customer. The customer just goes to him, the customer just comes, get a bunch of lumber, puts it on a lumber cart, even branded stuff, gets it off the shelf. Place it on the lumber cart, stands there and have a conversation with it. He rolls up the door, he never checks the receipt or anything like that, and lets the guy roll out. Puts it in the truck. So after the investigation was completed from Atlanta, they sent me a packet back in color, and unpaid merchandise. So I just finished, he's in the office now, I just finished having a conversation with him. He was giving me, going back and forth, no, I don't remember, I don't know what happened, maybe I was confused. You're not confused, you know the problem, you know the process. You know, he even told me, I didn't know I had to check the receipts, I had a lot of stuff going on at home. We all got stuff on, but we have to follow the process. You can't just let unpaid merchandise out. So he finally admitted, I have a statement here. That's a statement. He still talks about not letting, not checking receipts, it's his mistake. Just let unpaid merchandise for the same customer. One time, yeah. Multiple times, no. It doesn't happen. He checks receipts for other customers when they go out, but this particular customer here, he was allowing them to go out. So I was trying to get him to admit, hey, did the guy say, you hook him up, and he said, well, that he wouldn't admit to, but he admitted to allowing the guy to go out with merchandise. He's been with the company. He's been with the company since 2020, so not that long.
Your name is Victor, right?
Yes, sir.
So, Victor, my question is the follow. Are you guys gonna press charges on him? Okay. So let me go grab him because before he take off or whatever, let's go grab him, put him in the car, and then we.
Okay. So we have to terminate him in the system.
That's fine.
Okay.
That's fine.
You just want to put him in the car?
Yeah, let's put him in the car, and then you terminate it, and we tell him you wanted him trespass too. We trespass him. He cannot come over here again, and that's it.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna need a copy of this so I can put it in the report.
Okay.
Let's go grab him. So.
It's the same customer here. This guy comes every day. He's like a contractor. He just And this is from corporate. And basically what they did, when we sent investigation to them, all they do is confirm with the SKU numbers that's attached to the merchandise, was the merchandise on the order, was it paid, and none of this merchandise was actually paid. That was on May 8th. That's him walking out with unpaid merchandise. That's his truck. That's the customer's truck.
You got the tag of the truck?
Nah, when it was turning, I couldn't get it. I couldn't get the tag of the truck. This customer comes every day. Everybody knows him. So this is one.
So whenever he come back, you want to press charges on him too?
Yeah.
You just call us and he's going too. So they have the full package over there.
Yeah. So this here, he's taking brand new merchandise off the shelf and pushing that merchandise out the door. He's standing there. He's the key holder at the door. He just lets the door up and lets the guy walk out. So that was $1,200 in merchandise. I was here this day on the 17th, him and I both. He takes these out. It's a charger and battery, double pack batteries, $179, $149. He gives it to him, right? He watches him we watch this live.
Thank you.
We watch this live. He takes the batteries and stuff, and right here, he hides it in between the lumber and then stacks more lumber on top
That's the employee.
That's the employee there.
Got it.
So he gives this power tool to this customer. He watches him hide it in between the lumber. And that's him going out with it. Walking out with all that merchandise. I'm paid for it. Again at the door. This is a totally different. I don't even know who this is. This is one that Atlanta found. We got towel. We got Ryobi pressure washer. Some other towel on the bottom. Basically what they did, they just loaded all the stuff up. He just let him go out the back. And that was a total of $783. And here's the Whopper. He took this out, brand new plywood, and just loaded it. Never came back in with it. We don't know who the hell it is. $3,200 in that.
You got a very nice business going on.
Yeah, he told me he had something going on.
Most likely, there's more to it because
yeah.
he knows people and he tells them, "Well, listen, you send me people and whatever they need, I put them over there and they pay me on the left or whatever."
Yeah.
But anyways, you got the proof, so
Yeah, we got video of all this.
I'm gonna need your information because you're gonna have to show up in court with your phone number and everything, so we can let's grab them.
You want to walk them down or?
Yeah, get rid of
No. I'm gonna get him. He's gonna get arrested anyways.
Okay.
You know what? Erling probably can tell me because
There is no.
no hiding.
Darian's with HR right now in his office. I can tell him to turn him.
Yeah, because that's the Home Depot seat. We have a timer before PD takes them.
Okay.
You want me to call you as soon as?
Yeah.
So
To do this for the same customer over and over again, he's got to be giving me something.
yeah, of course.
It's crazy. And when I watched it live on the 17th, May 17th, we was in the office. I was like, did he watch him hide that product in between there? And I'm like, so that's what he was telling me. Oh, maybe I forget. I never checked receipt.
And he never came to pay nothing. He just walked out in that door in the back of it.
He goes over there with an empty lumber cart. He loads. We watch him load it. He just goes right out. He never goes over here. And his thing is, no, I tell him to go over and pay, but if he don't pay, it's not my fault.
Oh, yeah.
Really? You know you're supposed to check receipts? No. Maybe I forgot. I got a lot of stuff going on in my head. That's me too. I have to do my job.
So what's that?
That's crazy.
This is crazy, man. About 2 years. And this customer, everybody, all the managers know him. So yeah, he comes every day and walks around all day. But I think he just built a relationship with this guy and just took him.
Yeah. So just when you see the other guy, especially he's in the afternoons or whatever, I'm working afternoon, just give us a call and I come over here.
Help him out to come and talk to him.
He's Hispanic?
He's Hispanic. To translate, he was giving him pushback. He was like, oh, you're accusing me? And I was like, look, when corporate sends us stuff, they confirm it before they send it to us. That way we're not sitting down in front of an associate, not ready to talk about it. They confirm everything, they send it dead on. None of that merchandise is paid for. He's around that same customer go in and out. And they just sent us back a color packet. That's what the packet looks like. That's how it starts off. That's the amount lost. It gives us a breakdown of the overview, like when it started. That's his name. They give us date by date what merchandise went out. That's the day I was actually here. I saw that live. So they give us a breakdown of the total, and then they just start giving us, that's his information there. Where he lives. And then basically what went out. They give us a picture of the merchandise.
Done?
Okay. So,
All right.
so yeah.
Right here.
She says every number.
Hello, sir.
Every number.
How are you? What's your name? Huh? Same, right?
Okay.
Okay. All right. Listen, the company want to press charges. Okay. So this is what I need you to do. You have any knife or anything on you right now? Don't reach for anything. I'm asking. Do you have anything on you? Yes. Okay. Stand up. Put your hands on the wall.
Very little English, so I'm not sure.
Oh. Pon las manos en la pared. Arriba. No te vayas a mover, ¿ok? Okay. We're gonna take this off. Se quita. You guys want the teacher?
A picture?
No, the teacher. The teacher is yours? No?
He's fine.
This is yours? Whatever is yours, you want it? IDs?
No. He should be
Nothing?
good.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. All right, brother. Give me your hand. Dame tu mano. Vírate de espalda. Escúchame lo que te estoy diciendo. Vírate, dame las manos. Te estoy diciendo que te vires y me des la mano. Hey,
¿Por qué está pasando esto?
listen to me. Give me your hand.
Escúchame, señor.
Give me your hand.
Vos, pero ¿por qué me
Pon las
haces
manos atrás.
así si yo no hice
Pon las
nada?
manos atrás, te voy a meter un teizazo.
Por favor, manito.
Pon las manos atrás.
Pero ¿cómo van a hacer eso?
Pon las manos atrás. Oye, pon las manos atrás, te voy a meter con el taser. Put your hands in the back.
Yo no me dejo de trato, yo no he hecho nada malo. Pues, yo no soy mala persona, no soy
Ok, mi hermano, vamos para afuera.
y mis cosas,
Aquí están.
mi teléfono,
¿Dónde está tu teléfono?
en el iPhone que usted me quitó.
¿En el qué?
En el iPhone que usted
¿Aquí?
me quitó. Pero yo quisiera entender primeramente por qué está pasando esto.
Ok,
Yo
te
no
están
entiendo.
acusando de robo y vas a ir preso por eso.
Pues no, es que yo no he robado nada.
Ok, bueno, eso lo tienes que probar en la corte, ¿ok?
¿Puedes llamarlo ahorita antes de que me lleve, por favor? Porque eso no fue lo que...
Ok, escúchame lo que te estoy diciendo. Ellos hicieron una investigación, ok, y ellos quieren presentar cargos. Tu inocencia la vas a tener que probar en la corte, no aquí. Ok, este no es el momento ahora. Ellos están presentando cargos y yo te estoy arrestando. En estos momentos te estoy diciendo que salgas por la puerta conmigo, ok. No me hagas tener que sacarte. Vamos.
Yo entiendo, señor oficial. Denme un minuto nada más, se lo pido,
Ok,
por favor.
dime.
Pónganse en mi lugar.
Ajá.
Yo soy un trabajador aquí, un supervisor aquí. Y un día me llamaron, me sentaron aquí y me acusaron de que alguien salió por la puerta y que él se llevó la mercancía. Pero yo es simplemente que yo estuve en la puerta. Yo no he sacado nada.
¿Cuál es el trabajo tuyo? Revisar la mercancía que tenga papeles, ¿no?
Correcto.
¿Tú revisaste los papeles?
Yo siempre reviso.
¿Revisaste los papeles? ¿Sí o no?
Siempre reviso.
¿Revisaste los papeles?
Sí, señor.
¿Y por qué no va no
Ese
pago?
es el detalle de que ellos justamente a mí me están diciendo de que
Bueno,
yo...
ok, escúchame. Ya ellos quieren presentar los cargos, ¿ok? Tú estás despedido de Home Depot, tú vas a ser traspasado aquí no puedes venir más. Ahora, Eso lo vas a tener que probar en la corte, ¿ok?
Nada de eso.
Eso lo vas a tener que probar en la corte, ¿ok? Así que ahora ya tú estás arrestado, estás preso. Ya no hay nada que puedas hacer para quitar eso. Te estoy diciendo que vamos a salir para allá afuera, ¿ok? Vamos para mi carro, te sientas ahí y después te explico cómo es el proceso. Vamos. Aquí tengo tu teléfono y tu cartera.
Yo no sé lo que
Vamos. Ven. Vamos.
me sentaron aquí.
Vamos, ven. Oye. Vamos, bro, no me vas a jalar. Ven.
Pero que no hagas eso, yo voy a colaborar.
Vamos, papo, camina, no me vas a empujarte, dale.
Dios mío, de verdad. Esto es una injusticia, loco. Es una injusticia, hermano. Yo no he hecho nada y mira cómo me está sacando. De verdad, discúlpenme, pero esto no es correcto. Mucha gente me conoce aquí y sabe lo que estoy haciendo y no es justo lo que me han hecho en la oficina. Me sentaron para hablar conmigo, mire cómo me están sacando.
Ok. Eso lo tienes que hablar con tu abogado y defenderlo en la corte.
Pero ¿por
Vamos
qué no
por
me han
aquí.
dejado primero hablar con mi abogado entonces? Yo como ciudadano no merezco ser tratado así,
Ok.
como un delincuente, sacado así de esta manera. No entiendo.
Get in the car, bro.
The man was arrested but released a few hours later. He received a 12-month probation sentence. 2 other individuals, including his 19-year-old son, were also taken into custody for their involvement in the scheme. Thanks for watching. To continue watching, click one of the videos on the screen.